Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you the complete tutorial on how you can sell products on Google Sites for free. So the first step here, open your browser and then go to sites.google.com. Now, once you're here, let's create our new site where we can actually sell our products. Here you can basically use some of the templates. You can go right here on the template gallery, and here you will find some of the sample templates, like you can use this personal template right over here, or work template, small business template, or education template. But in this video, I'm going to start from scratch. So I'm going to just select this blank site. So once you click on the blank site, you will now directly go to your website editor. So what you're going to do here first is by creating your title. So I'm going to click on the title here. For example, I'm going to name this shop as Quick Shop. Okay. And we have also some options here. We have some options to edit the font style. And you can also change the font size if you want to make it bold, italic, underlined, or change the text color, insert link, or if you want to add emoji, change the alignment right over here. Now here at the bottom left, you can basically change the header type. For example, if you want like a cover, or if you want large banner, or a banner, or a title only. Now in this case, I'm going to select banner. So there you have it. Now here you can basically customize your site to showcase your product effectively. So you can add pages, menu, buttons, or some elements. You can change color or add your logo. Alright, so here you will see the tools that Google Sites can help you to get started. As you can see at the right panel, we have here some of the tools that we can basically use, like here on the Insert tab. As you can see under Insert tab, we have here text box. You can add some of the images from your computer. You can embed or add your derive, or basically add a content blocks. You can add collapsible group, table of contents. You can add image carousel, button, divider, or if you want spacers, social links, placeholder, or you can add video on YouTube. You can add calendar, map, docs, slides, sheets, forms, or charts. So in this case here, if you want to add element, you just need to drag and drop, right? Now in this case, I'm going to just add a content block, for example. So you just need to select any of the content block right here, and it will automatically show here on your page. So here you can basically add your image. You can basically enter your product title and the product description. Now other tools here, we have the pages tab, and here you can add your pages or product page, about us page, contact page, or like FAQ section, and so much more. Other one here, we have the themes tab, as you can see here. So here you can choose any of the themes right here. So we have some sample themes, your simple, Aristotle, diplomat, vision, level, and impression. And also here, you can also create your custom theme right here at the top. So if you basically add a custom theme, we have some options. You can basically add like your name, add a logo, and add a banner image. Now we have also the settings at the top right. We'll find the gear icon, which is the settings. And we have some options like you can edit your navigation, brand images, viewer tools, custom domains, analytics, and announcement banner. Now, for example, if you go to navigation, you can basically change your navigation style if you want on side or at the top. And you can also change the color if you want to change from transparent to white or to color black. So in this case, I'm going to select white, right? And then we have also here the brand images. So basically you can upload your image here to add to your global navigation bar. So click on upload, and for example, I'm going to select one of the logo right here, random logo. So there you go, you'll find that at the top left of your page. Now we have also some options here. For example, we have viewer tools. You can basically change the settings of info icon and anchor links. We have also the custom domains if you have the domain or if you want to create another domain. And we have also analytics. You can basically integrate or enable your Google Analytics to track your website, and also the announcement banner. So as you can see, we have the settings right here. And first up, we're going to basically enter the site name right here at the top left. And this will be like Quick Shop. And also the page title right over here, or what we call the header. We're going to change the header name into like Quick Shop. So there you go. And then what we can do here is we're going to add the content block right here on the insert tab. So drag and drop the content block or just click this one. And then we can basically upload the product here, product image from your computer. So you just have to select your product image, for example, this one here. And then you can resize this one. So there you go. And then once you're done, you can basically add the product title. You can just click to edit the text right here. For example, this one is Quick How To Shirt. So there you go. And then the product description will be like the product details or information about your product. So in the sample, I just want to just type right here, try this new shirt design. Okay, so we're going to type here, for example, try this new shirt design. And also you can change the text style, your font or font size, or if you want a bold letters or underlined or italic. And then in this case, I'm going to just copy and paste it right here to make this description like larger size. So just copy and paste it right over here. And then I'm going to delete the excess space. So there you go. Next, we're going to add a button right here at the bottom, which is the click to action button. So go to the right panel and we're going to select button. And I want to name this as, for example, buy now button. Or you can just change it to shop now. So depending on your preference. And then you can add the link here. Basically, if you want to add your payment methods link, and then you can basically add and paste it over here. So just click on the insert button, and then you can basically drag it to reposition it on your page. Now, if you want to change the theme, for example, here, and we have simple, Aristotle, diplomat. So you just need to choose right here the color, the style, the theme that you want depending on your preference or branding. And you just have to select here if you want like this or like diplomat design, like the vision, level, or impression. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to select the diplomat right here, and I'm going to choose the color that suits my brand. So there you go, and I'm going to select this color black. So there you have it. So as you can see here on your page. So please note that if you wanted to sell products totally for free, you needed to list your product somewhere they don't charge you to list your product. So like Shopify, Etsy, those websites actually charge you for uploading products and creating a store. So if you want to get started by adding products and charge it for free, then you can use what we call Stripe, right? So if you're going to your browser and search for Stripe, so this is actually the main website. So stripe.com is basically like an alternative of PayPal. Here you can generate a link, a buy button link, and add that button link directly inside your actual store for free. So if you are on your Stripe account, you just need to create a page link. Now, once you've done creating your page, you just need to click on the publish button at the top right, And here you can basically write down the web address that you would like for your page. For example, I just want to type here quick how to. And as you can see, it says it's already taken. So we're going to add like one. All right. Then click on publish button. And here at the bottom, you'll find here, you can basically view your page. So there you go. So that's how you basically create and sell products on Google Sites for free. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.